From your university point of view, what will be the most rewarding challenges to work on, you think?
At the university, we are in the process of I would say investing quite massively in building up the necessary technical sciences to support this. So it's actually going from biotech and chemical engineering all the way to electrical and computer engineering. So some of the areas that you just heard the two young gentlemen here talk about, we are going to educate and do research in those fields massively in the future. And on top of that, we just recently decided that we are going to initiate a university center for water treatment technologies. So across different disciplines, not only in engineering, but also in environmental science and bioscience and a number of other of our more classic disciplines, we're gonna set up cooperation in that. So this is actually all of this is something that's going to support directly this thinking of a large number of the innovation challenges we are talking about here. If I can elaborate, of course, we see on the university scale, we see that the water treatment and let's say the ability to deliver clean water on a global scale is maybe top 6 grand challenge or something like that. So it's a huge thing. So of course we want to do our utmost to support that, both in terms of educating young people that have skills in this, and also build an environment that can support the industry and of course Aarhus Vand in this. So it's also quite important for me to say that the I would say ambitious plans presented, we are very impressed by that, and we want to engage in that. So actually we think we are ambitious ourselves, but this is actually probably even more ambitious, and we need partners in this to make this happen. So I would say we are working on a setup on how to do a further cooperation in this. So for us it's important to when we go into any kind of challenge, that we do this based on the challenge coming from the industry or from the Aarhus Vand, where the real problem is, and we need the partnership to do this, and then we can try and see what are we able to do then to try and treat this challenge.
What else would you like to have from Aarhus Vand in order for it to be a good match for you?
Yeah, so also the I would say very international thinking of Aarhus Vand is also a parameter for us. So the engagement that's going on in the US, for instance, we have a similar thing. So we have people going to California next week to set up similar things. So in terms of developing new deep tech stuff that can be exported and maybe even demonstrated and used in other locations, like in cities outside of Europe, this is also a very good thing for us to do. Yeah.
Well, very interesting indeed.